Here's number 59 on 5.2. So we have fifth root of 160, m to the 6th, n to the 7th. So let's simplify what we can. So fifth root, 160, that is 5 times 32. And then I'll have m to the 5th times m all over fifth root of n to the 5th, n squared. So I know that this will come out, the m to the 5th, the 32 will come out as 2, and then this will come out as well. So let's rewrite this. I now have 2m fifth root of 5m all over n times fifth root of n squared. So we're not allowed to keep any radicals in the denominator, so I need to rationalize. I have 2 n's in the bottom. I need 3 more in order for it to be perfect. So I multiply by fifth root of n cubed. And so now this simplifies to 2m fifth root of 5m n cubed all over n times n, which will be n squared.